Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to color flowers in a gradient manner. So for this I'm using three color pencils: orange, yellow and dark blue. So let's start. So I'm going to start with yellow first. I'm going to color it in the middle like this. Next I'm going to take orange. It's a bit of reddish, you can say it's vermilion, and for this one I'm going to start from light to dark. We will do that in each of them. So it should be looking something like this. Now I'm going to take dark blue and I'm going to do the same pattern, start from light to dark. That gives a kind of gradient effect. So let's start from light to dark. You'll start adding pressure. Make sure that your pencils are sharpened properly. This will make your coloring easier. If you make a mistake in coloring, you can just take an eraser and erase it in that place. Or sometimes you can also add white color on the mistake to make it light, to lighten it. Light to dark. You can also color from dark to light, from top to bottom. You can also change the way, like we have light at the corners and you can just put light at the top instead of at the bottom. You just have to concentrate on your pressure of coloring. So like you have to see the way it blends. Don't keep like dark in one place and light in one place. That will not look good. It should be blended perfectly. If you don't feel, then add like a light, super light touch between light and dark. That might help. And yeah, that's it. That was how to color your flowers in a gradient manner. So I hope that was simple. I hope you learned something. And bye. See you next time.